So this is very different. I cannot describe it in words. Today we are going to review another natural attar from the artist Kashti. Kashti is an Indian brand by Divyam Trivedi, and he's the original perfumer and artist behind these creations. Ocean of scents, really amazing scents. I have tested, most of them are really amazing. If you like oud, rose perfumes, natural ingredients, natural attars, you have to see that. The link is in the description of the video. So here today we are going to test another attar which is called Bustaan. So I have heard a lot of praise for this attar Bustaan. So let's test this out. I'm going to apply it on my right hand. So this is very different. I cannot describe it in words. It is like kind of like light, uplifting lemon. I am not sure it is lemon or some citrus kind of light citrus kind of note. Floral is there, but it is very damp kind of floral. Okay, so it is not uplifting or very piercing kind of floral. The floral is really damp over here. Oh, there is some oud which is very good. Maybe castoreum. There is some animalic in the background. It is animalic, light floral, and oudy kind of fragrance. So if you like oud and if you like animalics, this is what you should get. It is kind of like serious, a bit serious. Not everyone can wear it, in my opinion. Only men, maybe above 40 or 50. This is a serious scent. It has a lot of oud. I agree on that. There is some light floral touch to it, which I'm sensing. I'm not sure whether it's an attar or an oud, because right now I'm getting a lot of oud over here. Yes, it is kind of like you are sensing a high grade oud oil. And now if I rate it, it is light floral, light creamy, light oudy, and light animalic. This is what I would describe it. For me, I didn't enjoy it that much as I enjoyed the previous one, Musk Gardenia. Musk Gardenia was amazing. This one is a bit serious to me. So now I would rate this one. So Bustaan, for me, I would rate it like 7 out of 10 for the scent profile. And for performance, I think it is going to underperform because it is very light. It is going to be a skin scent. If you like enjoying, or oud oils at night when you sleep, this is that kind of scent. It is relaxing. It is light calming kind of effect, but it is mostly kind of like rounded. There is some floral in it. I'm not sure. That floral note is a bit irritating for me, but that oud is very good. So this is my review about Bustaan from Kashti, Ocean of Scents from India. For me right now, my favorite would be Musk Gardenia, and this one is a bit very serious to me. Okay, so this is my opinion, and others might disagree, or they might get different opinion on this scent Bustaan, because these are naturals. Different people perceive it differently. It is a serious scent. I would recommend it for men aging, a middle-aged or maybe mature men. Yes. So that is my review. I hope you liked my video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.